to get out of this residential area. A lot of people that live here. Yeah, see, there's a mailbox right here. Yeah, we'll wait till we hit it. To be honest, you don't really have to go fast in this car to have fun. It's like just kind of like the momentum of the car. It just feels like when you're so low, it just feels like a go-kart, you know? Whoop. Look at that. Yeah, this car. Look at this sharp turn. Whoa. Alright, we're gonna slow down here. There's a lot of cops out here, I'm not gonna lie. Skid pad. No one's here either. Looks like it's just me. Here. You gotta be careful. It's all damp. Gotta make sure that's a Ranger right there. He might tell a cop up ahead. You always gotta be careful. Look at the nice Porsche. Ooh. You might tell a cop up ahead though, so you gotta always be very careful in this area. They're no joke now here. The Nürburgring is very hot pursuit and very high maintenance now. Yes. How do I know? Because I've been pulled over here. Why? Because regardless, they're watching out for speeders here, so you gotta be careful. Ooh, big semi. Oh, I thought that was a fucking animal on the road. It was a leaf. careful on Highway 9. Also, because there's a lot of double lane kids that do not know how to stay in the one lane. So we're not trying to get smacked out here. It's all about having momentum, boys. We caught up to somebody though. We should slow down. The motorcycle guys go fast here though. Oh, it's a Porsche! Oh my god, it's a Porsche! Alright, we're gonna go chill here though. Is that a... Woo! Woohoo! That's a good one. I don't know about that one, Chief. I don't know about that one, Chief. Maybe until this guy pulls over, let it go slow. Oh, there we go. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, hell no.